Hello reception. In the last video, I asked you to find the answer to 2 add 5. What did I say that 2 add 5 was the same as? I said that 2 add 5 is the same as 5 add 2. In an adding number sentence, it doesn't matter which number you start with. So, to answer 2 add 5, I'm going to start with 5 on my number line and I'm going to add 2 space jumps forward. All right, so here's my number line. I'm going to start on 5 and I'm going to do 2 steps forward. 1, 2. Now I'm going to show you and you can tell me what number I've landed on. What's the answer to 2 add 5 or 5 add 2? The answer is 7. This video is going to be all about the number 7. Can you go into your house and find 7 things? I found 7 cubes and I'm going to count them into this pot. You can help. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I found 7 cubes. Now, let's find out if 7 is odd or even. Can you tell me, what is an odd number? And what is an even number? We know that a number is even if it can be shared in half equally. We know that a number is odd if it cannot be shared in half equally. To share a number in half, we can split it into 2 parts. I'm going to do that now with these cubes. So, I'm going to put 1 in this pot, 1 in this pot, another one here, another one here, another one here, another one here, 1 in here, and now they're all finished. So, if it's shared in half equally, the amounts in both pots will be the same. If it's not shared in half equally, the amounts in the pots will be different. What do you think? Do you think that they were the same or different? Let's check. In this pot, have a look, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes. In this pot, there are 1, 2, 3 cubes. There are different amounts in those pots. That means that 7 did not share in half equally, which means that 7 is an odd number. 7 is an odd number because it did not share in half equally. All right, let's have a look at 7 on the 10 frame. Here it is. Remember that you can easily make your own 10 frame. All you need is a piece of paper and maybe something to help you draw straight lines, like a ruler. Have a go and see if you can make a 10 frame, and if you do it, please send me a photo. I've put my 7 cubes on my 10 frame. If you've made a 10 frame, can you put 7 things on it as well? And then, can you work out how many more you would need to make 10? What do we need to add to 7 to make 10? You think about that. Let's find 7 on the number line again. Here it is, here's the number line. Can you find the number 7? Number 7 is this one. This is number 7. Okay, now we're going to practice writing 7. Let's practice writing it in the air with our finger. You start at the top, you go across, and then diagonally down. Let's do it again. You start at the top, go across, and then diagonally down. Sometimes we also see the number 7, this is the number 7, we also see it with a line through the middle. Like that. That's number 7 as well. Some people write it like that. You don't have to, you can if you like. All right. Now let's write 7 on our whiteboards or paper. When we write, we need to start at the top left. There's the top left. Let's write number 7. Across and diagonally down. And again. Across and diagonally down. Good job. Okay, now we're going to do something a little bit different because one of the children who's been watching my videos sent me a video of her doing a number sentence. She used her fingers and we're going to use the number line. So the number sentence that this child did was 7 take away 6 equals. Can you write that? Let's write it together. 7 take away 6 equals. Now, let's find the answer using the number line. Here's my number line. First, we need to find 7. There. Then, we need to go backwards down the number line, and we need to go backwards 6 steps. I told you that when we add, we can change the order of the numbers. When we take away, we can't. We have to start with 7 and we have to take away 6. So there is 7, and let's do 6 jumps backwards. If you've got a number line of your own, you need to do 6 jumps backwards on your number line. I've done 6 jumps backwards on my number line. 7 take away 6 is, look at the answer with the circle around it. 7 take away 6 is 1. We can also count backwards 6 from 7. That will help us to practice our backwards counting. We can go 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 7 take away 6 equals 1. Now let's practice writing 7 as a word. We can use our sounds to write 7, but 7 has 2 syllables. 7. Can you hear? 7. 2 syllables. Let's write it together. Say the word to yourself and listen for the sounds. And remember, when you write, always start where? At the top left. Sev. S. E. N. E. N. 7. 7. Let's write it again. S. E. V. E. N. 7. Now, you also know how to write lots of other number words. It's a really good challenge if you can write all of your number words up to the new one that we've learnt. So, can you write all your number words from 0 to 7? You try. If you do it, please take a picture and send it to me. Okay, it's time for us to have a number sentence which will tell us the next number. And I'm going to give you another doubling number sentence. I would like you to double 4. How do you write double 4 as a number sentence? This time, I'm not going to show you. I would like you to tell me how to write double 4 as a number sentence and find the answer. Remember, I love it when you send me pictures or videos of you doing your maths learning. See you next time.